Hello and welcome. So we're going to be a quick question on determining where intervals of graph are increasing, decreasing, or constant. Alright, so let's talk about what this means. When you see something that's asking for increasing, decreasing, or constant, you're really looking at, alright, as you move left to right, are the y values increasing, decreasing, or staying the same, constant? Alright, well, let's look at this graph. So here's your furthest left of the graph, and as we start moving to the right, where are we going? Up. You'll notice that the cursor is going up. As we move to the right, the cursor is going up, which means that this is a portion of increasing. I don't know why I have two eyes there. Increasing, there we go. And now, as we kind of hit this little turning point up there, okay, then we'll start, as we might move left to right, going down until we hit another turning point that is a decreasing portion. And then as we move back up, left to right, we're going up, increasing. Alright, so increasing, decreasing, increasing for all three of those. And then from there, that's all you really care about. So if we're looking for an interval of increasing, we have two portions. We have this portion and that portion are going to be your two increasing intervals. So it's alright. Again, we moved left to right. You use the x to write about the y. So what x is this coming from? Right? That's coming from your far left. It's coming from far left to going to the right, which means negative infinity is where we're starting from. Not just the fact that the graph is starting down here. The graph could have been starting from the positive infinity y's, but that's what we really care about is that it's coming from the left. All right? So negative infinity, and then it stops. It has that little turning point. Whoops, that is not a nice number. But we're told that number at this particular x value is where we see that turning point, which means that negative infinity to negative 5.67 is your first interval. We stop the interval because from there it's going to start decreasing. It's not continually increasing. So then we say union. Start at the next interval, which this one hits a nice number right at negative 3. So negative 3, and then from there, we'll notice that we're increasing all the way until which y value? Not y value. My apologies. Which x value? Okay, and then you'll notice that it's going up, but it's also going to the right slowly but surely, and the far right for x's is infinity. And there you have it, and the only one that matches that is this first answer blank right here, and that would be your answer. Alright, thanks for watching.